akaolona idara uja wanyoni kariyari nede sumu na Apugan Karamoja Abaatin ya PSK Prime Minister nyezda kwa na Etegea da Kurio no Abaatin kanum anatararino Karamoja kere.
My second day of launching the iron sheet distribution to groups in Karamoja.
Ido moroto abuda ibura keche akerune mudu kiati petenoi ebe teterera unyesi de dopia nguna lude pota imeda unotoma na Abaatin.
So I'm receiving this gun from this gentleman. So he was very happy to have it. He said, let me also have this gun.
About 287 beneficiaries that are going to get today the iron sheets. Out of 287, we got the 77 per parish who are going to get. Now, 77 per parish. It happened that we received the iron sheets less by 41 people, and now today it is the 66 per parish that are going to get.
In my sub-county, I've received 520 iron sheets. Those are first for the 77. No, they have said 55 per parish. So those are the one. Now, in this afternoon, I will also receive for the Karashuna.
Still to extend thanks to the government to His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni for putting efforts to ensure that the Mabatis that actually had escaped from the office, from the stores of OPM, came back to the stores of OPM and now are to the right places where the right beneficiaries are supposed to receive them. So
UPDF and the security agents had to bring the list of the disarmed warriors. Those are genuine lists and the genuine beneficiaries. We are grateful that finally the purpose of this program has been achieved.
This list should come as the really beneficiaries, people who brought back their guns, but not people who did not bring back their guns. Because I managed to see a list which was sent to the WhatsApp for this mobilization, but I was not satisfied.
Konye da Abaatin nyezde baka imame pota dola ngini tungeneni kere idapo nelimo kinimunu lude pota ekada ebiraune sa titingor itone yanga onerache.
Exercise is so exciting to the people. To the extent that they are asking, why don't you bring more iron sheets? We are telling them, yes, that will be considered from time to time. We are not going to budget and appropriate all the money of Uganda for the people of Karamoja.
But you made it clear that this first phase, there is a second phase which you are planning and they will get.
Ido ichoto mane meda una kesi mamda pedorete igwa eikeche yalam.
Ay kena bore wana kodera abati para aja gerro kena ke bawa agitopolo marin. Ngakai ko namu yukengiri ko panda ada gura ko panda ada itu. Ngata iri bore wana kodera kete janga ro jigni ya jo ndo kala kara bawa aja kita wana.
Nya jo mamu ngabati nya jo. Ngetunga lu nya guni de. Mam bore etala kanar to kana. Age ke muda bena ke tala kanar ni nya kan. Yesi na aripinera da mare. Aguri ya kapolo na jo le.
Hapo nida chora kine meda unak mama chamuna yodo na nide jasingun luda baliga lepote ay ngala keseba gwela Abaatin.
Been telling those people the iron sheets are not for selling. Akalimo ke magata mare meranga adina gelna. So itemo no moyi eponi atupit. Ngai ntanga Abaatin ngani akai.
Godfred Eyoku, TV East, Karamoja.